Symbiosis University in Pune or Symbiosis International, as you all know, does not need any introduction on my channel. I have made tons of videos on Symbiosis, its application process, written ability test, interview preparation, entrance exam, all such things. And as you all know, they have already opened up its application forms for the year 2024. Ever since then, I was getting a lot of queries from you all about how you need to fill in the form, clarity on different courses, all of that, and different campuses. So I thought I will be answering all of those in this particular video. So please make sure you watch this video till the very end. I will now be taking you to my computer screen where I'll be answering each of those questions. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I have opened up the official website of Symbiosis International. This is how their website looks. This has all the information about their courses, various disciplines, each and everything is mentioned here. Now, one of the major confusions I was getting from a lot of people was that they thought that just because nowhere here on their official website is that the forms of 2024 are open, so many people were confused that there are no forms for 2024 open, but that is not the case. Guys, as you can see here, I will click on admissions. And once we go on admission, there's another page that is opened up, and here you can click the forms. If you are going for a UG course, or if you're applying for a UG course, then click this one. And if you're applying for a PG course, which is postgraduate programs, the master's programs of Symbiosis, then you click on this. Right now, just for the benefit of everybody, I'll click on the UG programs. Once you do that, this is where the official page for applications of the year 2024 for Symbiosis open up, and here you will find all the important details regarding the overview, test structure, how to register, important dates, eligibility, admit card instructions, test cities, international students, each and everything is mentioned here. Now you all know that Symbiosis are different tests depending on whichever program that you are applying for. SET, which is the Symbiosis entrance test, is for a lot of the, in fact, the majority of the courses specifically related to BBA honors, for BCA, for even BA in mass communication, for BSc in economics, and all such programs come under SET, which is Symbiosis entrance test. You can obviously get more details by clicking on this. As you can see that there is SCMS Pune, there is SCMC, there is SCMS Bangalore, all such things are there. SLAT, which is Symbiosis Law Admission Test, is for another, in fact, to be honest, probably the most famous course of Symbiosis is their law programs, and that is SLS Pune, where they have BA LLB and BBA LLB. Then they also offer the similar thing in Noida campus, in their Hyderabad campus, as well as in their Nagpur campus. SIT EEE is for SIT Engineering Entrance Test, and that is offered in only of the two campuses. One is the Pune campus and the other is their Nagpur campus. And then there are some courses that do not have an entrance test, like you can see an example, the School of Sports Sciences is one, the School of Health Sciences, School of Institute of Design. None of them have an entrance test. Now once this is clear, let me take you to important dates so that you know where you are headed. As you all know that the application forms have opened up and the registration will close on the 12th of April 2024. Now as far as the admit cards are concerned, admit cards for SET Test 1 will release on 25th of April and SET Test 2 will release on 30th of April 2024. Followed by that, the first test is going to be held on May 5th, 2024. And here you can see the timings of these tests. SLAT is going to happen from 9 a.m. till 10 a.m. SET is going to happen from 11:30 a.m. till 12:30 p.m. And SIT EEE is going to happen from 2 to 3 p.m. All these exams are 1 hour tests. Followed by that, Test 2 is going to be conducted on the 11th of May 2024. And announcement of the result is going to happen on the 22nd of May 2024. After this is when you'll come to know whether you made the cut and you are invited for the interview or not. But as far as the SET exam is concerned, the entrance test, here is what it is. As far as the test cities are concerned, like I told you guys, they have the availability of taking tests in majority of the cities, like you can see here, and in fact I'll put down the link in the description below of this, so you can check whether your state has the city that you're looking for, or if you have to travel nearby. Like every state they have 2 or 3 places minimum. Just to give an example, Rajasthan has 4: Ajmer, Jaipur, Jodhpur, Kota. Likewise Punjab has Chandigarh, Jalandhar, Amritsar and Patiala. Likewise Karnataka has Belgaum, Bengaluru and Mysore. So likewise you have the flexibility of taking the test in over 76 cities, which is a really good thing. Now as far as the test structure is concerned, here it is. In fact, I will be making detailed videos further on telling you how you all can prepare well, but please take a screenshot of this right now in case if you don't know what the test structure is going to be like. Like I said, SLAT, which is Symbiosis Law Admission Test, the total marks is 60 and it is bifurcated in general knowledge of 12 marks, reading comprehension of 12 marks, analytical reasoning of 12 marks, legal reasoning of 12 marks, and logical reasoning of 12 marks. The Symbiosis entrance test, under which like all the BBA, BSc, economics, BCA course fall under. You have general English of 16 marks, quantitative of 16 marks, general awareness of 16 marks, and analytical and logical reasoning of 12 marks. So that makes it again to total of 60 marks. That means 1 hour, 1 minute per question is what you have. Same is the case with SIEEE. You have physics 15 questions leading to 30 marks. You have chemistry 15 questions leading to 30 marks. And mathematics you have 30 questions leading to 60 marks. Now just for the benefit of everybody, I'm going to tell you how you all can fill in the form for Symbiosis and avoid the mistakes that a lot of people do. I'll just click on applications open. Another tab will open up and this is where I will have to register. All the details of the programs and everything is mentioned here. Let me agree to this. Okay, so here is the form that is opened up for Symbiosis. Now let me just fill in my name here, my date of birth, selection of category is very important. I come from open category. Let me just put a random number here. Let me put my email ID. My background. Just right now I'm selecting both the tests. My preference, because I am from Amritsar, let me just put preference number 1 Amritsar, preference number 2 again from Punjab only, let me put. Right now I'm just marking it random, guys. You people please do it seriously. Let's upload a photo. An OTP is sent, so let me fill in that OTP. And then directly you just have to make the payment. And the charges of the payment is 2250 because I've selected one test which is on the 5th of May 2024. I'm not going to pay here, guys, but again this is just for summary purposes and it's a pretty easy form to fill. It does not have a lot of the details that you need to, unlike a lot of other colleges where you have to fill in a lot of details, upload a lot of documents. This is nothing like that. You just need to upload your picture, just select the test dates and all of that, and you're more or less sorted. So yes guys, that's about it for this particular video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. Please subscribe to my channel so that you get a lot more of updates regarding Symbiosis, its entrance exam, written ability test, interview preparation, all of that. You'll get each and everything on my channel itself. If you like this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all with another video. Take care guys. Bye-bye.